Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and welcome to our channel, How to Do. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to my heart, regenerative gardening. As you might already know, traditional agriculture practices can have a severe impact on our planet, such as soil degradation, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Regenerative gardening offers a solution to this problem by mimicking natural ecosystems and using regenerative practices that can help restore our soils, protect our environment, and provide us with healthy and nutritious food. In this video, we'll explore the principles of regenerative gardening, the benefits it offers, and the practices that you can implement in your own backyard. We'll also showcase some of the incredible success stories of farmers who have implemented regenerative agriculture practices, and how these practices can help us tackle some of the biggest environmental challenges we face today. What is regenerative gardening? Regenerative gardening is a holistic approach to gardening that mimics natural ecosystems and aims to rebuild the soil, protect biodiversity, and improve the overall health of the environment. Instead of using synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and other harmful chemicals, regenerative gardeners use natural methods like composting, cover cropping, and crop rotation to restore the soil's health and protect biodiversity. Benefits of regenerative gardening. There are several benefits of regenerative gardening, including improved soil health and fertility, increased biodiversity and wildlife habitat, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, improved water quality, increased food security and resilience. Regenerative gardening practices. There are several practices that regenerative gardeners can implement to improve soil health, protect biodiversity, and promote sustainability, including composting and soil building, cover cropping and crop rotation, integrating livestock, agroforestry and alley cropping, intercropping and companion planting, using natural pest control methods. Success stories. We'll also showcase some of the inspiring success stories of farmers who have implemented regenerative agriculture practices, including Gabe Brown, a farmer from North Dakota, who has transformed his farm from a conventional monoculture to a diverse and thriving ecosystem using regenerative practices. Joel Salatin, a farmer from Virginia, who has implemented innovative regenerative practices like mob grazing and pastured poultry to improve soil health and increase biodiversity. Ron and Maria Rosman, who have been practicing regenerative agriculture for over 40 years on their family farm in Iowa and have been recognized for their leadership in sustainable agriculture. Conclusion. Regenerative gardening is not just a trend, but the future of sustainable agriculture. By implementing regenerative practices in our own backyards, we can improve soil health, protect biodiversity, and promote sustainability. I hope this video has inspired you to learn more about regenerative gardening and to take action towards a more sustainable future. Please don't forget to leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share this video on social networks to spread the word about the importance of regenerative gardening. Thank you for watching.